Today we're working on a Aeon system, replacing the TXV. The coil goes in there. See the copper lines there? We had to cut them out to get the coil out, pump down the system, recover the refrigerant. As you can see, we got the coil out here. This is where the TXV goes. This is the new TXV we're going to put in and go from there. As you see here, we have Tyler, our technician, brazing in the TXV. We have our nitrogen flowing. We have the wet rags on the coil, on the fins, so we're not burning up the fins on the coil. Get this unit up and running today.